Hi everyone, I'm Zhena, founder, master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. I have been busy making you the most wonderful tea accessories, having so much fun doing it. So I wanted to go through a few of our steeping tools. Really the goal is to make things beautiful as well as functional. I want you to be able to have a cup of tea and have it be relaxing and soothing as an experience, as much as helping you create the perfect cup of tea. So number one is we created mindful minutes. This is a mouth-blown borosilicate hourglass. Take a look. What is our logo? It's an hourglass. What's our name? Magic Hour. Magic Hour is the new happy hour. So if you could take an hour for yourself every day, that would be amazing. But if you can take an hour for yourself every week, that's amazing too. This is mindful minutes because most of us don't have an hour every day to sit and have tea and to do our journaling. If you do, congratulations. I will be there soon. I used to be there somehow. I'll get there again. But if you don't have an hour, you only have a few minutes, you use mindful minutes. So this steeps a 2-minute light steep, a 3-minute medium steep, and a 5-minute stronger steep. And what's cool about this is that the color of the sand are our brand colors. And these are so precisely made that the opening between the hourglass is it's the same amount of sand in each one, but slightly larger openings on the faster ones. Isn't that cool? So I made this out of solid brass. It's beautiful, makes a great gift. And what I like to do is as my tea is steeping, I just like to name 3 gratitudes. And if I have time, I will name more. Oftentimes I'll pull a little angel card. I make my steep time a moment. I just changed in my house. I just changed my tea steeping station to face the yard outside that has the view of the mountains across the way so that I could see the mountains as my tea was steeping, not the dish rack, which it was there before. So those are the little mindful minutes and the little micro shifts you can take to make your tea a magical moment versus just get it steeped and move it out of the way. Okay, so what else do we have? We have the Steep the Stars tea strainer. This tea strainer is a beautiful star tea strainer made out of stainless steel with brass electroplate. I had a blast designing this. It has a little tray for the steeper, so you can put the strainer in that and not drip. And while it's steeping on your cup, you can put it on top to collect the steam, and that collects more of the benefits and the flavor. So it fits perfectly in our new gorgeousness ceramic handmade tea mugs. And look at that. Ta-da! It's like magic. So this is if you don't have time to sit and have a cup of tea at home, you can take your tea to go. And the strainer goes like that. And then you put your lid on, and then you're off to the magical races, okay? And we have these in the moon tarot art, the star, so cute. I think the star is selling the best. Oh, the high priestess, which I gave John's wife because she's a total high priestess. And the Empress, which is pregnant with possibilities. So, so, so beautiful. So these are also available. They make amazing gifts for the people in your life that you want to honor and treasure. So that's a Steep the Stars strainer. We also have the classic Midas Touch, absolute favorite. It folds down and you can use this for travel or you can use it for home. It fits a teapot, it fits a teacup, it's amazing. We also have the little Lux Steep. These are simple and they're big enough to actually allow the leaves to unfurl. So you want to make sure that whatever strainer you're using, it has enough room for the tea to expand. It's called the agony of the leaves as the hot water is expanding them, but that's where all the flavor is. That's why we use loose leaf tea, because it's a more luxurious experience. It's a more full flavor. It has more nuances. It has top notes, mid notes, low notes. It fills the palate with complexity rather than a little tea bag cut tea bag. And so you want to make sure that those leaves have room to be free. You will have a better cup of tea for it. So we also have this fabulous glass infuser mug. This is Beamus. I love it. It's made out of borosilicate glass and bamboo And look how pretty that is. And I had it designed with stars. It's double walled. So inside is glass, outside is glass. So it's completely plastic free, toxin free. And it has the beautiful Magic Hour logo on it, which symbolizes sunrise and sunset, which are the magic hours when you remember that you're on a spinning planet and everything is possible. And then it's got a little strainer that comes in it. So you can cold steep or hot steep. You can take this out and wash it. You've got this, and this is a very heavy duty. I had them do an extra thick bottom, very heavy duty, very elegant, very pretty, right? So then we have this magical little scoop, the little Magic Hour tea scoop. This is a slightly bigger cup of tea. This is a little bigger than a teaspoon because I drink my tea really strong. But what I like about this is this tea scoop. If you have this in a strainer, you basically have everything you need. And then if you buy the refill pouches to refill your jars, but you don't have a jar for your refill pouch, dun da da, you won't lose your scoop. There it is. We think of everything, don't we? Okay, so there's that. And then let's see. We also have the bombilla. This is a traditional yerba mate straw used in Argentina. We like to use these as tea straws where you could just throw your tea into a cup, put the water, and then drink through it, and it'll strain it with the tea will stay outside of the little straw there. Okay, so these are also great, and we have these in 4 different metallic colors. And these are great to throw in your purse to take your loose leaf tea anywhere. Then if you're traveling, we have these cute little tea bags that say you are magic, and you can pour tea into them, and then you go like this, bloop, 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 da-da-da, and then you steep it, and then you can throw it in the compost bin because it'll break down. These are made out of corn. And then we also have them for iced tea. And so these are for cold steeping, and they come with all of our Cosmic Garden teas. These come with the packages, and you can just throw your iced tea in there. You can put it in a big jar, or you can put it in a pitcher, throw it in the fridge, and you're good to go. So you have every possibility for using the world's best loose leaf tea. We've made it easy for you to not have to use a tea bag, to not be exposed to microplastics and glues. You get to use loose leaf tea, pure and delicious and nuanced and organic and without any added stuff you don't want in your body. So I hope you enjoy. Here's to your health and happiness. You can see more at clubmagichour.com.